Hello boys and girls, welcome back to Friday Night Garage Night. Apologies for not getting back to you sooner, but I've been really busy trying to get the garage done and stuff like that, stuff in the house and all sorts. So hopefully we'll be back again normally on Friday, and get back onto the Mini and get that finished. So I'll let you see what we've done so far and show the new arrival as well. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Here we are in the garage. Then you can see so many parcels and that in here. Let's have a look and see what we've got. Now this is the MK1 RS. She's here. And the boxes and stuff, so we should get that all sorted out during the week at some point. As you can see, the walls and all that have all been done, and the ceiling, you know, so we're getting there slowly. More storage, a lot better, far better up there. I need to sort all these boxes out as well, so but she's here though, she's here. We'll probably get a better look of it next week when we get her out. Yeah, she's here at last. I'll go next door. And there's the Mini. Same again in here. All the ceiling and all that all been done. Real loft hatch. Storage. A lot better. More room, far more room. So we'll get the Escort in here and then we'll get the Mini next door, and just to finish off a bit of painting up there, and that's about it. So stay tuned for next week. We'll get back into it. Thank God it's been a long couple of weeks, I can tell you that. So yeah, that's me for the wee update, and we'll maybe catch you again next week and get cracking on things. And I think Randy was asking me about the jig as well, so you can probably explain him what that's all about and the reason behind it all. But like I say, she's not got much to do now, just that bit in the corner there, and then bits on the cap ends to finish off, and get her ready. Get ready for prep. But the garage is a lot better now, you know. I'm liking it. More storage up there as well, all on the top, all neatly sorted out. Then we'll get the floor painted, and then that's us to rock and roll. Get back into the cars, man. Get back into the cars. So I think Mick was asking me last week a comment on the what's happening, lads, what's happening, but just because we've just been so busy. But we should be back to normal again next week, and get that bloody pickup done, get it finished. So like I say, just a wee update, and just to let you know what's going on, and then we'll catch you again next week. Thanks then, bye for now.